So friends, welcome to my channel. If you guys facing the maintenance problem in your FIFA mobile, FCM server maintenance for new season, so guys watch this video till end because I'm showing in this video why this problem is coming and what is the solution of this problem and the end time of the maintenance in FIFA mobile. So guys, you can watch this video till end, and if you guys new on my channel, you can like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. So guys, first question is why this problem is coming. So guys, this is the maintenance problem, and if any update in the application or games, so the maintenance is common. So how to solve this problem? So guys, I'm showing in this video the two ways to fix this problem. So guys, first way is to go to the settings of your mobile. After click on settings button, you have to go to the apps section. After click on this apps button, you have to go to the manage apps. After click on manage app, your installed apps is appeared here, and here you search in the search bar FIFA mobile. After searching for FIFA mobile, you have to clear the cache of your FIFA mobile, and now going on home page and click on the Play Store. After click on Play Store, you have to search for FIFA mobile here. After searching for FIFA mobile, you have to click on the FIFA mobile. After click on FIFA mobile, you have to watch here. If the update is appear, you have to update the FIFA mobile game. After updating the FIFA mobile game, you have to wait for the maintenance and time. Yes guys, in current time the maintenance problem is showing in the FIFA mobile, and it will end in some hours or some minutes. So guys, you have to wait for some minute or an hour, and this maintenance ends automatically and your FIFA mobile working properly after some hours. So guys, you have to wait for some minute or an hour, and if you guys having any other problem, you can comment me. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.